Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tutorial channel. This is Teacher Ritz, your math tutor. Hello students, our topic today is addition of integers. So when we say integers, it refers to positive and negative numbers. So we have here the first rule. So adding like sign, simply add and copy the sign. Okay. So like sign, meaning to say it talks about both positive or either the given is both negative. So we have here the first example. Positive 3 plus positive 4 is equal to positive 7. So simply add 3 plus 4 and then copy their sign. Their sign is positive. Therefore, our answer is positive 7. Number 2, positive 6 plus positive 8 is equal to 6 plus 8, 14. Their sign are positive, therefore the answer is positive 14. For number 3, we have negative 4 plus negative 5. So they are both negative, so simply add 4 plus 5, that is 9. And then their sign is negative, therefore the answer is negative 9. Number 4, negative 5 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 11. So since they are both negative, then we simply add 5 plus 6 is equal to negative 11. Okay. 8 plus negative 5. So negative 8 plus negative 5. Still, they are both negative. So simply add 8 plus 5, that is 13. Their sign is negative. Therefore, the answer is negative 13. Okay. It's your turn, children, to answer the following given. Okay, for the first one, we have positive 12 plus positive 13. Okay, so what is your answer? Are you done? Okay, so 12 plus 13 is 20, 25. Okay. Since they are both positive, therefore the answer is positive 25. Okay, the next one. 14 plus 17. What is your answer? Okay, 14 plus 17 is 31. Okay, they are both positive, therefore the answer is positive 31. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, we proceed to number 3. Negative 8 plus negative 9. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17. They are both negative. Simply copy the sign, negative 17. Okay, we put the parentheses. Okay, next number 4. Negative 7 plus negative 12. So the answer is, okay, 19. Okay, since they are both negative, so therefore our answer is negative 19. Next, 6 plus 7. They are both negative, so we simply add. 6 plus 7 is 13. So since they are both negative, then our answer is negative 13. Alright. Did you get the perfect score? Okay, very good. So this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel so that you are updated for the new videos that I will be uploaded. Thank you for watching.